Hey G Squad, welcome back to the episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode, this cool model right here, and basically what this is a case that's actually used for your GoPro devices. The one that we got right here is mainly for the GoPro Hero 9. If you guys can see, this is basically what the packaging looks like. Let me actually open up and show you guys what the product looks like first. Alright, you can see that once we take it out, this is basically what the product looks like. It definitely is a high quality case. You can definitely use it to protect your device. So this is what it looks like in the front right here, and this is what it looks like in the back. The way how they designed this case is pretty cool because if you can see in the bottom, they do have a little opening. So that if you guys want to open up the bottom of the GoPro and put it on like a selfie stick or something, you definitely can, which is pretty cool. Also, another cool thing about this case is the fact that the actual case is waterproof or water resistant. So if you guys get water on here, it's completely fine. It should come off really easily. And when you guys feel the zipper on here, it definitely feels like a high quality zipper as well. But let's open up and show you guys what it looks like inside. Alright, so when you guys look at the inside of the case, you can definitely see and feel that material inside right here is really soft. So that way you can get a good protection for your GoPro device. So I'm actually put it in the GoPro first to show you guys what it actually looks like. So you just want to put it inside right here. So the lens right here should be facing this part right here. And you guys want to close it back up. Alright, so once you guys close it up, this is basically what it looks like. So you can see the bottom part here does have the little opening that I was talking about. So if you guys want to open up that bottom part here, let me take it out. So you can see that once we open the bottom part, this is what it looks like. So if you want to keep like a tripod on or something, you definitely can. It definitely has that opening right here, so you can definitely do that. If you guys don't have like a tripod for your GoPro Hero device, they actually sell like plenty of tripod that you can use for your device. And I actually have one, so I'm actually taking one out to show you guys how it works. Alright, so right here we have the little tripod that I was talking about. So you just put it on right here. And then you want to screw it in. Alright, so you can see that once we put it on a tripod, it definitely fits. It definitely have enough space for you guys to actually install it and keep it on if you guys want to. If you guys want to move it, you definitely can as well. But that's definitely really cool, so that way you guys get an extra protection layer for your GoPro Hero device. And you guys also use the tripod option as well, which is pretty cool. So that is basically everything that's on the product in terms of how to use it and what's actually included. Now that we come unboxing and testing the product, now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for this product in particular, I would definitely have to say that it is super worth it if you guys want more than lead warranties, especially because of everything that I mentioned earlier, how it has a good protection on here, the fact how it is water resistant or waterproof, and the fact how it gives you guys that little opening option in the bottom right here. So that way you actually keep like the tripod on if you guys want it like this. And when you guys need to record stuff, you can just open it back up and bust it out like that and have the camera all ready. And when you guys are done using it, just close it back up like this. If you guys see, it's literally so convenient. But then obviously for those guys who don't want or don't need one or haven't one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else that you do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.